Hey tech lovers! Meet the new released DJI Flip Drone, the drone that fits in your pocket, captures stunning 4K video, and might just be the best or worst thing to ever happen to your wallet. But is this tiny flying gadget worth it? Today, we're breaking down the good, the bad, and the downright hilarious things about the DJI Flip. First off, let's talk about what makes the DJI Flip a game changer. Super portable. This thing is smaller than my morning coffee and lighter than my commitment to going to the gym. Seriously, you can take it anywhere. DJI packed in a 1.3-inch sensor, 4K 60 FPS video, and AI tracking that actually works. So if you've ever wanted a personal camera crew without paying for one, here you go. With obstacle avoidance and propeller guards, even my grandma could fly this. And she still calls me to fix her Wi-Fi. Yeah, let us jump to the bad and hilarious now. Of course, no drone is perfect, so let's talk about the Flip's not-so-flipping great moments. It's tiny, it's fast, and if you're not careful, it will do an unintentional mid-air backflip, just like its name suggests. You get about 20 minutes of flight time. If you're lucky, that's barely enough to film a cool cinematic shot before you're scrambling for a charger. If you live somewhere breezy, prepare to chase this thing like a lost balloon at a birthday party. It's great in daylight, but as soon as the sun sets, well, let's just say your footage will look like a Bigfoot sighting. So, is the DJI Flip worth it? If you need a super portable drone for quick, easy shots, absolutely. Just keep an eye on the wind and carry extra batteries. Let me know in the comments, would you buy the DJI Flip? The link is already down the video, and if you've already flown one, tell me your funniest drone flight story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.